What's up guys, it's been a long time since we have done an unboxing, so today we are going to unbox something very special and very premium all the way from Denmark, and it is the Dali Katch Bluetooth speakers. So with that guys, let's get on with the unboxing. So before we start this video, we do want to say thank you to Dali for sending us these speakers all the way from Denmark. And so, with the speaker being premium as it is, the box itself is also very simple and very elegant. There's not much text on the box except for the side here, which actually tells you what Dali stands for, which is Danish Audiophile Loudspeaker Industries. Very fancy name to go with a fancy speaker. So here we have the Dali speaker itself. Now it comes with a pouch, which is very nice for those of you that like to carry your music around with you. So this is a very nice carry pouch that you can use. So here we have the Dali Katch main adapters and plugs. For those of you that might want to travel overseas, they actually provide you with some different types of adapters that will probably fit the different countries that you might want to visit, or maybe to make it easier for them to just put everything inside, you know, easier for whoever that buys overseas or locally or things like that. So very nice additions, very nice when a company provides us this, because at least we don't have to go out and hunt for one. Here we have the adapter with its power plug, so this definitely goes into the speaker to charge it up. And of course they have no adapter here, so this is where you possibly just slot in your own. So depending on wherever you are in the world and depending on what your wall sockets will be. So it's a simple mechanism of just slotting it in and removing it if you need to. And other than that, we have some documentations here about the speakers, just to give you a rough guide on what you need to do. And of course, here is some of the promotion materials from Dali. So pretty simple, pretty basic things. And of course, here we have the safety instructions, which we probably won't need. The Dali Katch Bluetooth speakers. Now, our one comes in a color that they are calling dark shadow. So it's not really black, it's kind of slightly blue to it, which is a very nice color, I must add. And of course, they have here a little strap for you to carry around the speakers if you need to. So very nice addition, and of course it just slots in, so it hides out the strap if you don't need the strap, especially for if you're just putting it on your table, maybe for a party. So you can hide the strap, which is a very nice feature they have here. So as you can see here on the side, there is an aux-in port, which is convenient for those of you that want to connect an external music player into this speaker. And there is a USB charger, which is used to charge up your devices. And of course, this is the power port for you to charge up the Bluetooth speaker. And on the top here, we have the Bluetooth pairing button, the power button, the volume buttons, and of course the equalizer for those of you that want to play around with the sound. So I must say that this Bluetooth speaker is very premium and it also feels very solid, so the build quality is definitely top notch. So before we get into the sound test, let me just tell you a little bit of the features that this speaker has. As I mentioned before, there is an equalizer button on the speaker, and the button allows you to swap between two profiles of clear and warm. So Dali has said that clear is perfect for those of you that just want to listen to music and is suitable for every type of genre, whereas warm adds a little bit more bass to the sound and is better for those of you that stay in larger areas. Other than that, it also supports Bluetooth 4.0 with aptX Bluetooth technology. So for those of you that have devices that support aptX, then you're gonna get a much nicer sound quality coming out from these speakers. Lastly, this speaker has a 2600 mAh battery, which Dali has said will give you 24 hours of untethered audio playback and will only require 2 hours to get this to a full charge. So as you can see for yourself, there are 4 LED indicators surrounding the power button, and these LED indicators basically tells you how much battery there is in this device. So in this case, there are only 3 lights that are lighted up, which tells me that there is roughly about 75% worth of battery in this device. So lastly, just below the power button to this area of the speaker, there is an NFC sensor. So for those of you that have phones that have NFC sensors in them, all you need to do is just tap your phone to that section of the Bluetooth speaker and you will automatically connect. So now that we have gotten that all out of the way, let's get to the most important part of this video, which is the sound test. now that we have done the sound test, let me just tell you what I think about the audio quality. On clear, there is obvious lack of bass. However, the mids and the highs are very, very clear. So for those of you that like to listen to perhaps orchestra music or like to listen to podcasts, then that settings will be the most ideal for you. Now, on the other hand, when changing it to warm, there is an addition of bass. However, the bass is not that strong, and I did wish that the bass was stronger, and there was obvious lack of clarity when it came to the mids and the highs. So it might be good for those of you that like to listen to bass heavy music, but again, I wish that they had put a setting in between that gives you a nice balance of bass and clarity. There you go guys, that is the Dali Katch Bluetooth speakers. Now this speaker is slightly on the pricey side as it comes with a price tag of 2,199 ringgit. But if you are interested in picking up these speakers, we will leave the links in the description below. And as usual guys, if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe because we take out videos like this every week. And of course, I will see you in the next one.
She cannot see.
What? Really? I do that?